Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your sales insights with Tableau, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your sales insights in Tableau, start by assessing the sensitivity of your data. Identify which sales metrics and insights require protection. Next, implement user authentication within Tableau. Enable strong password policies for all users. Utilize role-based access controls to limit data visibility. Create distinct user groups based on their data needs. Assign permissions that correspond to the role of each user group. Consider applying role-level security to restrict access to specific data. Set up filters that govern which records users can view. Utilize Tableau's built-in encryption features for data at rest and in transit. Configure SSL certificates to secure data transmission between Tableau server and clients. Regularly update your Tableau software to benefit from the latest security patches. Conduct audits of user activity periodically to identify any unauthorized access. Monitor usage patterns to detect any anomalies in data access. Train your team on data security best practices when using Tableau. Document your security protocols and ensure all users are aware of them. Establish a response plan for potential data breaches or security incidents. Review and refine your security measures on a regular basis to adapt to new threats. Continuously educate your staff about the importance of data protection in sales insights. Engage with Tableau's community forums to stay informed about emerging best practices. Implement a culture of security awareness within your organization. By following these steps, you'll significantly enhance the protection of your sales insights in Tableau. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.